All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. It says here, solve for x, okay? And what we have here, it says 3 is greater than x minus 6 divided by 4. Okay, well, we want to get x all by itself. So before we even get to that x, we need to address this 4. So this says divided by 4. So we should just do the opposite of dividing by 4. And the opposite of dividing by 4 is multiplying by 4. And because we're in fractions, I'll use a fraction on this side. And I'll multiply this side, I'll just write 4. Though I could, if I wanted, put them both over 1, because it doesn't really change anything. But anywho, all right, let's get to work. So 4 times 3 is 12. Sign comes down. And these 4's go away. So you have x minus 6. Nice. And just like that, we're actually almost done. Pretty straightforward problem. Again, we're trying to get x all by itself. So we have a minus 6 here. We need to do the opposite of minus 6, which is just a plus 6. Okay. And here we go. These go away. Minus 6 plus 6 goes to 0. And you just have 18 is greater than x. And some people like to have the x on the left, so you could write it as x is less than 18. There you go. All right. As always, please subscribe if you want to be notified when I make you more practice problems. And leave a comment below if you want me to make a problem special for you. All right. Thanks. Bye.